Hey guys, welcome to the All Things Hair. My name is Elwa Saleh from my channel Elwa Saleh, and today I'm going to be showing you how to prevent split ends. If you guys are interested, please keep watching. When I first started applying heat on my hair was when I was 14 years old. I used the clothing iron and I straightened my hair with it, and I didn't know the consequences of it. I was left with very dry, brittle, split ends. I didn't know that was the reason why my hair wasn't growing as fast or as quickly as possible until I found out that the key here is to never use a clothing flat iron to straighten your hair, never. And to use anti-breakage products like the TRESemmé anti-breakage. This reduces breakage by 80%, and I like to shampoo my hair with that frequently. So first I'm shampooing my hair, and then I'm gonna go in with a hair mask. And this is one of my top favorite hair masks, the Nexxus Keraphix Damage Healing Treatment Mask. It contains keratin, which means it's going to add protein back into my hair, and it's going to leave my hair very nice and strong. Plus, it's going to smooth out my frizz and add a ton of shine. So I just got out of the shower. My hair feels amazing, you guys. The next thing I'm gonna be using is the Nexxus Clean and Pure Nourishing Detox 5-in-1 Invincible Hair Oil. It's basically infused with elastin protein and marine minerals, and it's great for frizzy hair like mine. Some parts of my hair is pretty coarse and the rest is actually pretty frizzy. So I love to use this product whenever I want to style my hair afterwards. It also adds a ton of shine and smooths out any kind of frizz. This can be used on dry or wet hair, but I like to use it when my hair is wet. That way my hair can dry with the product and all that protein. I always find that my hair looks a lot smoother and shinier. I am adding a few drops on my hand, and a little goes a long way. Now I'm combing my hair with a detangler brush to distribute the product evenly. My hair dries so fast, so I'm gonna just like let it air dry, and then I'm going to add some heat, and then I'm going to straighten it. I can already see the shine, and it feels so nice and soft, and it's not frizzy, which I love. One of my biggest issues is the flyaways up here as well, so I can tell already all that is nice and tamed. My hair is drying up really nice, and as you can tell, no frizz. I'm so excited, you guys, and look at the shine. It looks so nice and shiny. So next is to add a heat protector. It's very important that I add a heat protector because I don't want to damage my ends. It's really important that I add a heat protector because when I don't, I notice I have more split ends. And I just like to spray from mid-shaft all the way to the ends. I'm just gonna continue to let it air dry. I think I need about 10 more minutes left, and then I'm gonna quickly straighten and then cut my hair. Okay, so my hair is all nice and dry, and I'm gonna just section everything off. So I'm gonna start at the very bottom, and I have only 300 degrees heat on. Usually when I don't use these products, I have to increase the heat to maximum setting, which is 450 degrees for me. But when I use these products, it actually cuts my straightening time in half. All right, so I'm gonna start at the very bottom, and as you can tell, it's pretty nice and smooth. It has a really nice shine. The products already did a lot of the work, which is like smoothing out the frizz, adding some nice shine. So the only thing I need to do is pretty much like smooth out any kind of like waves I see in kinks. Wow, I love how nice and shiny it is. These products are amazing. They truly transformed my hair. My hair feels so nice and smooth and actually really strong. All right, so now I'm gonna be showing you guys how I trim my split ends. First, I like to use shears made for hair. The reason why is because these blades actually cut the hair perfectly versus regular scissors. Regular scissors actually will cut your hair at a very blunt angle, and sometimes the blade themselves don't cut very sharp, which causes more split ends. I want to show you guys one technique that I like to use or do to prevent split ends, and it's very simple. I just take a medium-sized section like this, and I place my index finger on top, my middle finger on the bottom, and then my ring finger on top. And then it just creates this really nice slide effect, and whatever hair that comes out, I trim. Usually all the split ends wanna stick out this way. I slide it all the way down till I see the split ends. If you don't feel confident to cut your own hair, I highly recommend seeing a hairdresser every 6 weeks to prevent the split ends. It truly does help the hair grow a lot faster and quicker. Another technique is twisting the hair, and I'm going to take a section like this, twist the hair. Usually my split ends are at the very end, so I'll just twist here more. And whatever hair that sticks out of the coil, I will trim. And this is like one of the easiest techniques to do, and it's pretty safe too. And I will just continue to do that all over my hair as well. All right, so I'm all done. And now the last step I like to do is pretty much split the hair down the middle all the way down, and then just bring all the hair to the front. And it also sits really nice here on the side like this. And then when I just bring everything together in the back, it kind of creates like a little U shape. It feels so good to get my hair cut. I feel so fresh, I feel so new, I feel lighter. I do also want to mention, if you guys don't feel confident enough to cut your own hair, please go see a hairdresser every 6 to 8 weeks. It makes the biggest difference in terms of growing your hair. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the All Things Hair channel for more inspo, hair tutorials, and tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.